डियर फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग 100 इडियम्स और फ्रेजेज पर चर्चा करेंगे। आप लोग देखिए और समझिए। आइए हम लोग अब बिना देरी किए स्टार्ट करते हैं। ऑल इन ऑल, ऑल इन ऑल मीन्स होल एंड सोल, सर्वे सर्वा, सर्वे सर्वा। द डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट इज ऑल इन द डिस्ट्रिक्ट एट सिक्सेज एंड सेवेंस मीन्स इन डिसऑर्डर, बेतरतीब। Your children came into my room and left all my books at sixes and sevens. Add fuel to fire. Add fuel to fire means to make the matter worse. अग्नि में घी डालने का काम करना अर्थात उत्तेजना को बढ़ाना। The officer was already very angry, but the discourteous answer of Ramesh added fuel to fire. All and sundry. All and sundry means everyone without distinction, प्रत्येक बिना किसी भेदभाव के। My father invited all and sundry of the locality to the marriage party. At one's wit's end. At one's wit's end means totally confused, perplexed, चकरा जाना, घबरा जाना। The thieves were at their wit's end when they saw the police coming. Above board. Above board means honest and frank, ईमानदार तथा स्पष्ट। He is always above board in his dealing with his customers. An apple of discord or a bone of contention means cause of quarrel, झगड़े की जड़, झगड़े की जड़। Kashmir is the apple of discord or a bone of contention between India and Pakistan. At daggers drawn. At daggers drawn means open enmity, bitter enemies, घोर शत्रुता। Rana Pratap and Akbar were at daggers drawn with each other. An apple of one's eye. An apple of one's eye means very dear, आँख का तारा। Sudhir, the only son of his parents, is an apple of his mother's eye. Against the rainy day. Against the rainy day means for hard days, बुरे दिनों के लिए। Every person should save something against the rainy day. At arm's length. At arm's length means at a distance, दूर होना, दूर रहना। The father advised his son to keep himself at arm's length from bad boys. An axe to grind. An axe to grind means personal end to serve, अपना स्वार्थ सिद्ध करना। People don't trust those who have an axe to grind. At the 11th hour. At the 11th hour means at the last moment, अंतिम समय पर। If you begin your studies at the 11th hour, you cannot be sure to pass. At a stone's throw. At a stone's throw means near, पास, नज़दीक। Your uncle lives at a stone's throw from my house. At large. At large means free, स्वतंत्र। The prisoner is at large after tipping the jailer. At hand. At hand means near, पास, नज़दीक। My college is just at hand from my house. At random. At random means without any aim, बिना किसी उद्देश्य के। The soldiers fired their guns at random. A bed of roses. A bed of roses means quite comfortable, फूलों की सेज। The post of the prime minister is not a bed of roses. Apple pie order. Apple pie order means in perfect orderly arrangement, सुव्यवस्थित रूप में। She keeps her books in apple pie order. All Greek and Latin. All Greek and Latin means very difficult to understand, समझने में बहुत कठिन। His literary speech was all Greek and Latin to most of us. A laughing stock. A laughing stock means an object of ridicule, हंसी का पात्र। His foolish argument has made him a laughing stock of all. At home in. At home in means well versed in. Daksh. Ranjit is at home in English. Account for. Account for means to be responsible. उत्तरदायी होना. You must account for your loss. A far cry. A far cry means very distant. दूर की. For India to control increasing population is still a far cry. A good deal of. A good deal of means very much, अत्यधिक. You must finish a good deal of your course well before the examination. According to. According to means consistent with. के अनुसार. I act according to the advice of my brother. As far as. As far as means so far as, जहाँ तक. As far as I know, Hari is the best boy in the class. A bottleneck. A bottleneck means obstacle, बाधा, रुकावट. In spite of all the bottlenecks created by his opponents, he got success in his mission. Bag and baggage. Bag and baggage means with all belongings, बिस्तर बोरिए के साथ. The English left India bag and baggage in 1947. Beat about the bus. Beat about the bus means to come to the main point in a roundabout way. घुमा फिरा कर बात करना, घुमा फिरा कर किसी बात पर आना. Come to the main point, don't beat about the bus. Birds of a feather. Birds of a feather means people of the same nature. एक ही स्वभाव के व्यक्ति. Birds of a feather flock together. By hook or by crook. By hook or by crook means by any means, उचित या अनुचित रीत से. He wants to get success in the examination by hook or by crook. By and by. By and by means before long, शीघ्र ही. By and by he will become a perfect saint. By fits and starts. By fits and starts means irregularly, अनियमित रूप से. महेश फेल्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशन बिकॉज ही स्टडीड बाई फिट्स एंड स्टार्ट्स. ब्रेड एंड बटर. ब्रेड एंड बटर मीन्स लिवलीहुड, जीविका. एवरी पर्सन इज बिजी इन हिज ब्रेड एंड बटर प्रॉब्लम ड्यू टू डियरनेस. ब्रीद वंस लास्ट. ब्रीद वंस लास्ट मीन्स टू डाई, अंतिम सांस लेना. His father breathed his last, leaving behind him 6 children. Break the ice. Break the ice means to break silence. मौन का वातावरण तोड़ना. When all were silent for a long time, I decided to break the ice. Bolt from the blue. Bolt from the blue means a great shock, एक बड़ा सदमा. Bear the brunt of. Bear the brunt of means to bear the main attack, आक्रमण का मुख्य भाग सहना. Front soldiers always bear the brunt of the battle. Bird's eye view. Bird's eye view means a general study at a glance, सरसरी नज़र से देखना. We had a bird's eye view of the government report on profiteering. By all means. By all means certainly, निश्चय ही. By all means he will pass his exam. Blockhead. Blockhead means fool, fool. I cannot work with him as he is a blockhead. Beside the mark. Beside the mark means unsuitable, अनुपयुक्त. Our lawyer's argument in the case being beside the mark, we lost the case. By leaps and bounds. By leaps and bounds means very rapidly. दिन दूनी रात चौगनी, बहुत तेजी से. India is making progress by leaps and bounds. Bury the hatchet. Bury the hatchet means to forget the past enmity, पुरानी शत्रुता भुला देना. It is wise for Ramesh and Hari to bury the hatchet and be friends again. बेगर्स डिस्क्रिप्शन। बेगर्स डिस्क्रिप्शन मीन्स टू बी इनडिस्क्रिबेबल, वर्णन से बाहर। द ब्यूटी ऑफ द ताजमहल इज बेगर्स डिस्क्रिप्शंस। ब्रिंग टू बुक। ब्रिंग टू बुक मीन्स टू पनिश, सजा देना। द नॉटी बॉय वाज ब्रॉट टू बुक बाय द प्रिंसिपल। बीट द एयर। बीट द एयर मीन्स हवा में हाथ पैर मारना, व्यर्थ का प्रयास करना, निरर्थक कोशिश करना। When the lion was shot dead, it began to beat the air with its paws. Black sheep. Black sheep means an undesirable member of a group. कुल कलंक, बुरा अथवा अवांछनीय व्यक्ति। He is the black sheep of my class. Black and white. Black and white means in writing, लिखित रूप में। I can forgive you if you apologize in the black and white. Bell the cat. Bell the cat means to lead in danger, खतरे में अगुआ होना। Every student dislike the new principal, but nobody is ready to bell the cat by telling him so. Blow one's own trumpet. Blow one's own trumpet means to speak boastfully about oneself. अपनी ही बड़ाई करते रहना, सेखी मारना। A person who always blows his own trumpet is not liked by anyone. Bring to light. Bring to light means to make clear, स्पष्ट करना। The manager tactfully brought to light the dishonesty of the clerk. Bad blood. Bad blood means enmity, दुश्मनी। One should not create bad blood among friends.